Now your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
78-degree air temperature outside. We're looking for a humidity coming in sticky today at 96% because of a dew point value that's at 77. 77-degree dew point. That's about as warm as it gets in the peninsula of Florida. We have, generally speaking, in the winter, a dew point value can be as low as 30 degrees. I've seen it that low. But 77, boy, that really feels pretty sticky. Southeast wind coming in at about 3. We've had one lone shower yesterday, moved through Sarasota, produced a lot of lightning pops as well. And the rain's cooled some folks off, but most of us did not see any rain whatsoever. And today, while we had 1-2 showers yesterday, I think today we'll probably have a few more, not a significant amount more, but a few more. However, the direction of motion of those storms is going to be different. You noticed the one storm we had in Sarasota kind of moved out into Gulf waters where it dissipated. Well, today we're going to see those showers develop, move closer to the coastline. The ones you see here are going to continue to move further out into the Gulf until they dissipate. But by around 2-3 o'clock, we'll probably see a few showers build closer to the coast. The majority of them build inland, and then all of them drift further away from the coastline. So it is definitely not going to be a rainy day in populated areas, no doubt about that. We'll have a lot of heating, a lot of very warm heat indexes showing up by afternoon, 100, 105-degree heat indexes, and not a lot of cooling rains once again today. So the drier air that moved in yesterday, moved into place, has kind of been replaced now by some slightly more moist air aloft, mid and upper levels. That trend will continue over the next several days. Nothing like what they have back to the west, where there is again another day, another round of heavy thunderstorm activity for parts of the Texas coastline. But we will start to see a few more showers build in our area as we moisten our upper atmosphere. High pressure will sink south today. What that will tend to do will be to make the winds kind of light and variable until we can establish a more westerly wind flow, which should occur later today into tonight. With that light and variable wind, the sea breeze will have a better chance of kicking off a few showers later in the day. Those showers will tend to move into inland areas. So along the coastline, if you don't get your rainfall by, 1 or 2 o'clock, it's unlikely you're going to see any at all. High pressure then continues to slip south. We establish this westerly wind flow, and that's going to be with us right straight through into the weekend, I think. We'll start to see the atmosphere begin to moisten into the weekend, and showers and thunderstorms will be around, but the pattern will be different. We'll see the showers build near the coastline in the morning hours, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then drift inland during the day, so that most of the afternoon over the weekend will be spent rain-free near the coastline, and most of the showery activity will be occurring in inland communities. Slow-moving storms here today. Hot and humid with those heat indexes up again near 100 this afternoon, maybe even a little higher. High pressure remains our dominant weather driver over the next several days. So the forecast for boating looks pretty good. We'll have this general westerly wind flow developing this afternoon and kind of sustained right through the nighttime hours into tomorrow and the day after, most likely, coming in at about 10 knots. It'll bring you a light chop with 2-foot seas. Forecast looks like this. Today we'll go up with about 91 degrees. The daytime high temperature feels like temperature is much warmer. Tomorrow, about the same. We'll have a 20 to 30% chance of showers both days. Tomorrow, of course, marks the beginning of the first day of summer. As we head into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we'll keep our rain chance at about 30%. But again, the character of those storms a little bit different because they'll start near the coast in the morning, maybe even in the pre-dawn hours with a few light showers, and then move inland in the afternoon. And then as we head into Monday and Tuesday, our rain chance is about average for a summer day.